Adulting, you need money, Lulu.
Hindi ko kaya ang 9 to 5. Stick a needle in my eye and cook me on a frying pan. I cannot.
We are in SMDC Glam
Yes.
in QC, and it's so nice. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga condo days natin, di ba?
Oo.
Ganun yung vibe.
Just know what makes you happy and then it's gonna pay off.
Kasi yung idea natin, pag may sarili kang bahay, you made it.
Yeah,
Ang
yeah.
yaman mo na. Sabi ko, I want to experience naman living on my own. Alam mo yung merong medyo masakit sa ulo kasi sa'yo nakasalala yung mga bagay, pero ang sarap ng freedom. Talagang lahat ng bagay nakakompute.
Keeping the place clean. Tinatago ko sa ilalim ng kitchen.
Kalat.
Yung kalat. Pagbukas mo ng kitchen cabinet, nandun yung dirty laundry.
Ah?
And even though it was an adjustment, it was an adventure.
You're free to do whatever you want with that space.
One of the things that I realized, nung kinakaltasan na ako, in my head, I'm thinking, dapat ito yung nakuha ko eh. Kaso merong matatanggal na ganito eh.
Meron ng moments na wala akong mahugot. Just live in the now, but
Yeah.
making sure that you have enough for a rainy day.
Always live below your means. Just hate me, but respect me.
Mas importante yun kaysa like ang anong mga tao, pero
Hindi ka naman
Hindi ka
nire-respeto.
naman nire-respeto.
I will sacrifice my peace for my son's needs. Kasi feeling ko in that sense, mas magkakaroon din ako ng peace.
Say What Podcast with G and Abby.
Hi guys! This is me, G Canlas!
And Abby Asisio for another episode of
Say What? Oh my goodness, Abby. I cannot even begin to tell you kung gaano ako ka-excited. Because we are this incredibly looking posh
I know.
place.
Yes.
Oo.
We are in SMDC Glam
Yes.
in QC, and it's so nice. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga condo days natin, di ba?
Oo.
Ganun yung vibe.
I know.
So swanky. And nakita natin yung mga amenities kanina na nadaanan natin. And the rooms are nice.
Yes.
They had the pool, the gym, the work area.
Oo, you know what? Actually, pagpasok mo dito, parang alam mo yung AI ng heaven.
AI ng heaven.
May gumagana.
With matching,
With
ano.
the matching chandelier
Yeah.
lights. So if you're looking for some place to experience ang glamorous but affordable lifestyle, I think, this is actually a good place to look into.
Nabanggit natin kanina, condo days.
Yes.
Bakit ba tayo napunta sa mga ganong nakahiwalay na tayo sa ating pamilya at meron na tayong sariling tahanan? That was because we were already transitioning into our adulting phase
Oo.
in life.
Oh,
So,
wow.
yan ang topic natin today, adulting.
Adulting. Oo.
Anong edad mo na feel na parang, oh my gosh, nagka-transition na ako sa adulting? Oo.
Nung pag-graduate na ako
Mhm.
ng college, nung pag-graduate na ako ng college, biglang nagkaroon ako ng, oh, what next?
Yeah.
Oh, what's gonna happen now? Where am I gonna go?
Mhm.
So, immediate yan na for me, parang scrambling to get a job.
Yeah.
And parang sa akin, nung time na hindi ako particular kung anong job yung malanding ko.
Mhm.
Basta meron ako pang resume. Ikaw, ano mo?
Well, first, like what you said, trabaho agad yung naiisip ko.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung pagpasok ng responsibilities. Kasi
Oo.
pag adulting na, syempre nasanay tayo, yung parents natin lahat yung,
Yung ano?
bahala.
Yes.
Parang, ano ka lang sa bahay. Anong tawag doon?
Ano?
Yung
Ano? Pala mo-
border.
border.
Grabe naman yung pala
Ako
mo
nasa
nin.
ako, pala mo
Oh,
nin.
parang border ka, gigising ka, kakain ka, meron ka ng
Oo.
tirahan, meron minsan tagagawa ng chores mo.
Yeah.
Yung adulting part, dun mo marirealize na hala, real world, ito na yung mga bagay na kailangan na matutunan ko, ito na yung skills
Yeah.
that I need in my life. Pero doon ko rin na feel yung pinaka-adulting, yung pagkailangan ng humanap ng trabaho.
Okay, so speaking of mga first jobs, because we have viewers na Gen Zs who are probably out there applying right now, or meron naman closer to our age who's parang
Mga trentahin ba to? Or 20s.
20s,
yung
yeah.
mga
Mga 20s na, somehow feel like they've landed a good job. Pero start tayo from the beginning. Like, what was your first job like?
Oh my God. Actually, para akong ikaw, kasi yung first job ko, hindi ko naman sasabihin na walang kwenta. Walang kwenta siya just because wala akong direction and intention
Okay.
of what type of work I wanted.
Aha.
Ang ginawa ko, nag-text brigade ako sa contact list ko.
Oh.
Hi, meron ba sa inyong nangangailangan ng magtatrabaho? So wala akong idea.
Wala kang job description?
Wala akong job description. Parang sa akin, ganun ako kadesperado na, sige,
Pay me.
oo, trabaho tayo. Ano ba? Sino bang naghahanap dyan?
Yeah.
So, nakuha ko, first job, naging ako, account executive ng photographer.
Oh!
Na-feeling ko nga yung position na account executive, inimbento lang na.
Para magkaroon ka lang ng job
Para
description.
mayroong trabaho. So, ang work ko nun, sa ano pa yun? Poresa Station yung opisina nila. Tapos, first time ko rin matuto mag-commute. So, yun din.
Yeah.
Natuto na ako
Adulting.
mag-budget, commute. Mag-MRT ako hanggang Poresa Station. Pagbaba doon, pedicab, papunta sa office.
Grabe, kabisado pa niya.
Memorize ko yan. Pero yung trabaho ko, magko-cold emails lang ako.
Okay.
Tapos, taga-organize ng files,
Oo.
ganon. Ikaw, ano yung first job mo?
Shucks, wait lang. Where do I begin? Sige, first job technical. Call center.
Aha.
I was a call center. Kasi sabi ng mga friends ko, kasi nga, dahil lumaki ako mahilig nagbabasa,
Yeah.
mahilig ako mag-English.
Aha.
So I get this comment a lot on social media, arte-arte mo kasi where's your letter R?
What do you mean?
Like, what do you mean, like, not roll your R's? so people are saying na, oh, your accent is nice. You could belong in like you could be in a little call center. And you could be, the customer service. We could be
Yeah.
like, oh, sir, I'm so sorry. We don't know the problem. The road to it.
British call center.
British call center.
Aha.
So sabi, pwede, di ba? And then I remember when I got there, kasi syempre by batch sila, usong call center before, di ba? Ina-usher kayo
O
dyan.
ano na ba nun? Kasagsagan ng call
Kasagsagan
center
ng call
days.
center
Oh.
yun eh. Tapos, in-usher kami sa isang room na parang lahat kami accepted.
Okay.
Tapos sabay-sabay, hindi uso yun ngayon na sinasabi yung sweldo nyo lahat.
Aha.
Doon sinabi sa amin ang sweldo. 12,000.
Wow!
Sabi ko,
Alam mo, yan din yung unang sweldo ata. Pero ang daming kaltas kasi parati akong late.
Wow. Ako
hindi
tax
ako proud.
eh.
Tax ka. Oh.
Pero ako, naalala ko yung 12,000. Sa utak ko sabi ko talaga, yes! Ang yaman ko! 12,000!
Kasi lampas 10,000 na siya. eh.
Lampas yung 12,000. Ang baon ko lang before was 250 or 300.
Uh-huh.
So parang in my head, tumataginting na 12,000. man.
For a month!
For a month! Boom! Ganon. Kaso, hindi ko na-factor in gas.
Aha.
Hindi ko na-factor in parking.
Makati to.
Makati.
Oo.
Tapos, pasok ko is 3 a.m.
Okay.
So, ang ending, ang natitira na lang sa akin, parang natitira sa akin mga 7,000, parang ganun. Tapos, I barely have anything till the next paycheck.
Yeah.
So, that was an experience. Definitely, a first sweldo for me was an achievement. But I knew it wasn't enough.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Medyo
Ikaw?
swerte lang tayo kasi nakatira pa rin tayo sa parents natin at that time. Well, ikaw ba?
Nakatira ako sa parents
Oo.
ko at
So
the time.
kahit medyo nababawas-bawasan yung 12,000 pesos, kahit
Oo,
paano, hindi pa natin masyado iniisip
Walang
yung
renta. Yes.
panggasto sa pagkain,
Yeah.
bilihin. Parang ngayon, 12,000 a month, parang paano mapagkakasya yun eh.
Wala. Alam mo, ang sinasabi, agree with me on this or not for the viewers. For people here, do you agree? Pag lumabas kayo, payat ang 1,000.
Oo,
You
wala.
can't make 1,000 fit right now. So, ang 12,000 as well at this day and age is not applicable, I think.
Pero ako naman, speaking of sweldo,
Yeah.
ang isa pang, kasi artist na
Yeah,
tayo
yeah.
nun. Ang naalala ko dati, first paycheck ko naman, check ito. Kinuha ko ni Chini, maging backup dancer ni Christian Bautista sa concert. Kasi dancer ako, kala nyo lang, kanta-kanta ako dito, marunong ako sumayaw. Ito, Philippine All-Stars to before. So, mas dancer sa akin. Pero ako, feeling ko kaya ako kinuha kasi matangkad si Christian Bautista. Kailangan nila ng mga dancers na matatangkad din. So,
Yeah.
nasama ako. Tapos, ang daming rehearsals. Tapos, iba pa yung performance, di ba? Parang, hindi ko alam kung sinabi agad kung magkano yung sweldo. Pero na-surprise ako kasi nung unang binigay sa akin, 6,000 na cheque. Yung parang, alam mo yung feeling na, 6,000 pesos.
Tumataginting.
Oo, na parang pinaghirapan ko to. Hanep, pinaghirapan. Sinayaw ko to. Yung mga ganong moments na nagkakaroon na ng value yung effort
Yeah.
na nilalagay mo.
Yeah.
Yun, other than being an account executive for a photographer, nag-start na yung mga freelance work. So yun na rin yung parang start of my adulting income, pero like what you said, ang laking bagay mas lalo nung palabas.
Tama.
Oo. Ano yung una mong major gastos or responsibility
Sweldo
nung
ko.
sumisweldo ka na? Ano yung toka mo? Di ba
Toka
sa
ko.
bahay meron tayong mga toka?
Before I answer that, wala lang, naisip ko lang dun may naisip lang na anecdote dyan sa gastos mo. If hindi siya enough, or maliit lang siya, parang it's symbolic. Kasi in a way, yun nga sabi mo, pinaghirapan ko
Yeah.
to. And then, kumbaga, it's memorable for you to get paycheck na even though it's not that big, mas na-appreciate mo kasi it's the start of hopeful.
Yeah, it's a first.
Yeah, it's your little pot of gold.
Oo.
So,
Na parang di mo pa nga maiisip na worth it ba yung, di ba ganyan, medyo ganun tayo eh. Sa amount of hours that I put into something, tas ito
how
yung
much
kikitain
yung-
ko, lugi ba ako o sakto lang? Dati hindi, parang feeling ko kahit lugi ako, kung ano man yung gawin ko, basta kumita ako ng mga tumataginting na 3,000, 2,000. Parang, uy, may pumasok na pera. Pero yun nga, with the coming in of the job, mas mabigat din minsan yung gastos.
Yeah. So to answer your question, bigas.
Bigat.
Yeah, my entrada with my mom is bigas. Ganun. Pero ang naalala ko na talagang na-enjoy kong i-contribute sa bahay is yung mga blowout. Ang thing ko before is, and because hindi nga ganun kalaki yung sweldo ko, I can't commit. Pero I will blow out. So kunwari, like, tara makain tayo sa labas, gano'n. Pero pag sinabi nila, uy, yung next month na meral ko, hindi na muna. Wag na muna natin pag-usapan yan. Basta babawi na lang ako sa ganito. Because yun lang yung kaya ng sweldo ko.
Yeah.
At that time. But in terms of first major purchase with my paycheck,
Yeah.
I bought a dog.
A dog, Frappy.
Frappy!
Ah.
Yeah, flash a picture. Ayan, I bought my dog Frappy.
Yeah.
For 6,000, half of my paycheck.
Ah.
It was a sentimental purchase.
Actually, nafe-feel nyo ba yun? Yung minsan kahit may responsibility sa bahay. Sorry, nandun ako sa emotional side. Hindi kasi, lalo na kapag hindi pumapasok yung ine-expect mo na pera, yung expectation din na, basta kada buwan, ikaw yung magbibigay. Yung
Yeah.
as much as gusto mong, wait lang, or sandali, gusto ko rin sanang gastusin yung money.
Yeah. Naka-allot na.
Naka-allot na siya. So, yun yung naalala ko sa pag-adulting. As much as alam ko responsibility ko, hindi mawawala sa feeling ko rin minsan, nung umpisa
Yeah.
na sumasama yung loob ko. Kapag,
na nagbibigay.
oo, yung naman eh. Pero
Yeah.
responsibility ko rin.
Totoo.
ko yun eh. Before, sa groceries, hilig ko.
Talaga? Yun yung treat mo sa sarili mo.
Sa sarili ko tsaka sa family. Kasi
Yeah.
ako naman, humiwalay ako, matanda na ako. Kasi,
ito na ba yung solo living na to?
pwedeng dumiretso na sa solo living. Kasi when I was living with my parents, yun nga, karamihan ng bagay, sagot nila. So, meron lang tayong pa-contribute dito,
Yeah.
contribute dyan. Pero, there was a point na sabi ko, I want to experience naman living on my own.
Oh, okay.
So, nag-condo days na ako. So, ikaw, meron ka din condo days.
Nag-condo days din ako, yeah.
Oo. So, doon ko na na-feel yung talagang lahat ng bagay, nakakompute,
Oo.
lahat ng pasok ng pera, ia-allot mo na kung saan mo igagastos,
Yeah,
from
yeah.
rent, electricity, association.
Association fees.
Oo, yung mga fees.
Yeah.
Na ganyan.
Yeah. Ako, nung tumira ako sa condo, ang adulting naman for me at that time is keeping the place clean. Kasi lumaki ako ng may yaya. Lumaki ako, hindi ako nag-iinarte, hindi ako yaya, hindi gano'n na. Pero yung, meron na kaming mga kasambahay.
Yeah.
So, although naturuan ako ng magulang ko to do housework, it was a challenge kasi I was living at a studio na, di ba ang studio is pagpasok mo, kita mo na kaagad yung kitchen,
Lahat na andun
dining, kama, di ba ganon. So pag yung isang area eyesore, lahat yan eyesore. So ang ginagawa ko, tinatago ko sa likod ng headboard, tinatago ko sa ilalim ng kitchen, yung kalat, tapos may sumasakit yung ulo ko.
Maglalaglagan ba tayo ng sarili dito?
I know,
Kasi may kikwento rin ako sa condo days ko.
my 23-year-old self will never, alam mo yung, pagbukas mo ng kitchen cabinet, nandun yung dirty laundry ko. yun yung hamper ko, yung ganon. Because I was still adjusting to living on my own. And even though it was parang an adjustment, it was an adventure for me. Parang doing it on my bad self. Ikaw?
Ang exciting nga din nung moment kasi naalala ko din nung wala pang laman yung condo ko. Tapos yung pipinturahan mo yung walls.
I did that
pipili
also.
ka ng mga furniture, ng mga pang-accent. Kasi first time mo na parang this is mine.
Yeah,
this
that's
is
your
my
space.
space. So, you're free to do whatever you want with that space. Isang challenge din sa akin yon yung paglilinis.
Paglilinis?
At
Ay,
alam
wait!
mo na, ano,
Sino
kaya
yun?
nga sabi ko, lalagay ko ba yung sarili ko? Pero kapag hindi ka masyadong malinis, meron
May pets
tayong,
siya.
Meron tayong mga alaga minsan na sumusulpot.
May pangalan.
Si Milton. Oo, meron akong ipis. May ipis sa condo ko na, nung una, alam mo yung pag nakakita ka ng ipis, parang, oh my God! Tapos papatay mo agad.
Yeah.
Pero kapag hindi ka nakapaglinis, which is, wag niyong tutularan
Wag.
to. Kaya kailangan parating malinis yung space ninyo. Kasi minsan, isa lang siya. Tapos mamaya, next time, meron na siyang kasama.
Si Milton, naging si Miller.
Si Milton, naging head. Head of
Association.
Head of association, oo. Yung umabot na sa point na parang,
Morning.
ando nag-hangout sila. Parang, oy, Milton. Ganun
One
na.
time, nagstay ako sa condo nito kasi she went somewhere. I think you went to Bali or something. Tapos, I had a week at your condo. Alam mo kung nung binili niya sa akin, hindi yung tubig, hindi yung paano linisin yung bahay. O, ikaw na muna bahala kay Milton.
Uy, grabe. Sarcastic naman yon. Hindi mo naman siya kailangan alagaan, pero andun siya, kasama mo. Binilin din kita. Sabi ko, bantayan mo si G.
I didn't feel alone.
Okay,
In that
that's good.
condo. It was a party.
It was a part. One thing na na-experience ko rin na-appreciate ko about condo living is nandun na lahat. Meron ng grocery,
Yeah.
may bank,
Yeah.
tapos meron ng pang laundry.
Yeah.
So, everything's there, but ang sarap nung feeling din na, yung coming from a house, like what you said, may mga kasambahay, may ibang nagbabayad nung mga bills and responsibilities. Ito, alam mo yung merong medyo masakit sa ulo kasi sa'yo nakasalala yung mga bagay, pero ang sarap nung freedom.
Yeah.
I really
Yeah.
enjoyed that freedom in
Kay-
terms of being an adult, living
Totoo.
during my condo days.
Ito, for the viewers, I just wanna know if kunwari nasa age bracket ba kayo na nai-enjoy nyo ba yung freedom or do you consider these responsibilities na ang bigat on the
Yeah.
shoulders?
Ang hirap lang din kasi, minsan, yung sa iba, yes, new responsibilities. Oy, let's try this to be independent, to
Yeah.
be free. But there are some people who are just placed in a situation
Yeah.
na they really just have to work and to adult even at a young age.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ang ano din, parang, yes, we're coming from our own experience, but we also know na for some people, adulting doesn't come after college.
Yeah.
Yung iba, minsan, nag-aaral, they have to adult
Oo,
already.
at a very young age.
At a very young age. Nagtatrabaho na, nag-aaral pa, may tinutustusan pa ng mga kapamilya. So,
Oo.
mahirap din talaga.
Kanya-kanyang challenges, no?
Mm.
One of the things that I realized, okay, like, this is real life. Nung kinakaltasan na ako, I started as an extra in Gimmick.
Talaga? Hindi commercials?
Hindi! I
Oh,
was an
okay.
OJT in GMA.
Wow.
Yeah, tapos-
Artista.
Yeah, nakita lang nila ako na I was doing Manila Bulletin for Paolo Bejones.
Okay.
I was like, doing ganyan. Tapos uy, pwede ka mag-extra for Gimmick, ganyan. Tapos, I got paid 4,000, ganun. Tapos wala namang kaltas yun because you're an OJT.
Yeah.
And so, every other job that I did, it's like paid in cash. Tapos it's like, but then, when nasa payroll ka na, and your part is recognized and bigger roles are expected of you, then you see the taxes. And then in my head, I'm thinking, dapat ito yung nakuha ko eh. Kaso merong matatanggal na ganito eh.
Yeah.
Why? Alam mo yun, like, I understand why. Yung logical side of me understands why. Pero,
Required siya.
required
Pero
siya.
masakit.
Masakit. Alam mo yun? Tapos, hindi siya yung parang, someone will ask permission to get it from my account.
Yeah.
It's
Automatic.
Automatic, it's chopped off. So, I think yun yung parang reality as an adult na, you're counted in society.
Aha.
Na naka-factor in ka. And your job is not unnoticed. In the sense na makakaltasan ka ng sweldo. Ayun.
Tapos gagamitin lang nila kung saan-saan. Charot. Iba-ibang topic na yun. Ibang topic.
Iba.
So yun, sa money matters, ramdam na ramdam natin yung adulting. But other than taxes, savings naman, tsaka emergency fund. Yun
Yeah.
yung parating sinasabi.
Before, wala akong sense of ganyan.
Aha.
Basta, ang sa akin is, kung meron, for example, if I had the 12,000 from my call center days, ang goal ko is ubusin.
Ubusin.
Nangangati yung kamay ko, nangangati yung pockets ko. Pag, shucks, meron pa akong 2,000.
Aha.
Paano natin susunugin yan? Ano?
Ma-shopping ka ba?
Hindi ako ma-shopping na designer,
Aha.
pero ma-shopping ako ng tingi-tingi.
Okay.
So for example, Forever 21, ay, 250 pesos na top. Naku, bibili ako ng 10, ganyan.
Yeah.
Meron pa akong 2,000 sa wallet. Ay, shucks, paano ko gagastusin to? Nangangati.
Aha.
So for me, wala akong concept of, when I was in my younger days, wala akong concept of savings. Kasi my awareness is just in the now.
Yeah.
Wala akong forward thinking at that time. So parang, I admire mga Gen Zs now na they're already into investing, they're already into planning ahead.
Yeah.
They're already thinking of, alam mo yon, how to have passive income.
Yeah.
Ako, wala akong ganyan before, and how I wish na parang mas aware tayo nung time
Yeah.
na yon, 'di ba?
Ang lungkot din, no? Nalungkot ako tuloy bigla. Kasi I was also on the same boat na ako naman, ikaw, mahilig ka mamili, ako travel.
Oh,
At saka kain.
grabe siya mag-travel. Sabihin mo kung paano ka mag-travel before.
Sakto lang naman. Hindi, mahilig akong mag-ibang bansa kahit mag-isa ako. Nag-eat, pray, love,
Oo.
ganyan ako. Tapos, bonding namin ng family ko, pagkain din.
Yeah,
so, doon ako
yeah.
magastos. So, when it comes to savings, parang hanggang ngayon nga asa na ba? Ba't parang walang laman masyado yung account ko? Pero, hindi ako nasanay
Yeah.
na nagtatabi talaga for myself. So,
Yeah.
pati yung emergency fund, alam ko sobrang importante. Lalo na, we've all had our share of emergencies.
Yeah.
Meron ng moments na wala akong mahugot. Wala talaga akong mahugot kasi simot.
Oo.
Na yun din, part of adulting is to not just live in the now, but
Yeah.
making sure that you have enough for a rainy day.
May sinabi yung mom ko, it's really nice, and up till now, nag-stick siya sa akin. Kaya siguro hindi ako mahilig sa designer stuff. Sabi niya, always live beneath your means, below your means. So for example, if meron kang 1 million, wag kang umasta na meron kang 1 million. Think pa rin ang sweldo mo is ganito. Tapos
Yeah.
dito pa rin yung bracket na na galawan mo para on a rainy day, yung hindi mo na-tap na resources, it's still available for you. And you could fake surprise yourself na when you open your bracket, meron pala tayong 950,000, hindi ko alam.
Meron ba? Bakit di mo
Ganon.
sinasabi? Pahiram nga. Kailangan kong pera.
This is my anecdote lang and advice for people. Siguro, responsibilities, you get to enjoy it when you kind of see it as parang a privilege.
Yeah.
Na parang, like,
I get to do
I
this.
get to do this because I have a business. I get to pay taxes because I have a paycheck.
Yeah.
I get to I get to put gas in the car because I have a car.
Na yun yung magiging grateful tayo that we have that. Yes, may cost. Kung walang cost, ibig sabihin wala ka nung
Yeah.
bagay na binavalue mo.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. Speaking of value, and gastos natin kanina, ang napansin ko rin, in terms of adulting, yung utang, yung debt. Nag-credit card ako before.
Ooh, credit
And-
card.
Na ngayon, bawal na ako. Personal boundary ko, wala akong credit card. Kasi, like what you said, live within your means. And for me, what credit cards encourage is to go beyond my means.
Yeah.
Na-experience ko yung mga interest na nagpapatong-patong tapos hindi ko mabayaran. Tapos na-cancel mo na yung card mo pero dire-diretso pa rin yung
Yeah.
binabayaran mo.
Tapos may kakausap sa'yo ng normal, tapos ang init ng ulo mo kasi nasa utak mo yung yung
mga
payables.
babayarin. Oo.
Meron din ako ganyan. I remember when I was in the call center days, binigyan lang ako ng credit card out of the blue. Like, maliit lang naman, 30,000. Pero pinanggagalingan natin is 12,000 na paycheck.
Yeah,
And
parang,
I'm like, 30! Live it up! So parang ko, 30,000! So nakalimutan ko naman pinagbibili ko nun, pero I was like, with no intention to pay.
No intention to pay? Kung nanonood po dito, yung pinagkakautangan ni G. Canlas.
No,
Grabe.
because in my head,
Grabe no intention to pay. Baka ipadampo tayo sa susunod na taping, ah.
hindi kasi ang intention ko nung time na yon was to just enjoy the benefits of the card.
Yeah.
So, but I did pay it though.
Okay.
I did pay it though. Pero nung time na yon,
Yeah.
parang it's like, bala na, parang my fee is just 12,000 a month. How the heck am I gonna pay? I mean, even if it's 2 months, I can't afford the 30K. So I was like, meh. But that's, I guess, the difference. Yun nga, like, then and now. Because, ako, wala rin akong credit card.
Mhm.
I don't like it. Kasi, gusto ko yung financial freedom
Yeah.
na parang I don't have anything in my mind na parang kailangan ko. Meron tayong mga non-negotiables like rent, grocery, tuition, and all these things that are non-negotiables, right? But meron ako ina-apply sa sarili ko when I'm out. If I want to buy something, I ask myself, do you need it or do you want it?
Mhm.
If I need it, then I get it because it's a need. But if I want it, like for example, just the other day, I saw a really nice rhinestone red bag in the mall. And alam mo yun, yung parang naano lang ako sa sparkliness niya. Tapos pagtingin ko, afford ko naman siya.
Yeah.
But then I ask myself, do you need it or do you want it? Tapos in my head, when's the next venue or place na I would need a rhinestone red bag? Wala naman eh.
Yeah.
I would rather prioritize. And then if merong extra, I can circle back
Yeah.
and ask myself, do you want it?
Napapaisip lang ako habang pinag-uusapan. Serious! Napapaisip ako habang pinag-uusapan natin mga kaperahan at mga napagdaanan natin with adulting. Parang adulting is going beyond yourself already. Kasi even talking about mga emergency funds and having toka for the family, parang when you're adulting, you know that you're not just living for yourself na lang.
That's a nice,
Diba? Parang with your family, kaya mo gustong mag-share sa, kunyari, ikaw sa electricity or ako na sa gasolina o ako na sa renta. Kasi yung contribution mo, importante dun sa pamilya, sa binubuo mo. Yung emergency fund, hindi lang naman yan sa pag nagkasakit ako, meron akong emergency fund. Hindi. May nangyari sa mommy mo or sa tatay mo, kailangan mag-contribute ka sa ospital. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na, hindi, akin lang to. Ako nag-save for this. Parang when you're an adult, dun mo rin makikita kung saan mo kailangan mag-step up for the people who mean the most to you.
I super agree kasi of course I'm raising a child. So in my head, lahat ng trabaho na ginagawa ko, lahat ng efforts na ginagawa ko, hindi na siya pang sarili.
Yeah.
Hindi na siya yung kumbaga huli na ako.
Oo.
Kung may matira sa akin, edi great. Basta ang sa akin, gusto ko na secure yung bata. Na lahat ng kailangan niya and even saved up for a rainy day, he's gonna be okay. Kasi kumbaga parang you just, I guess to also deepen that thought is you really need a why.
Yeah.
Na parang why are you doing these things? Why are you putting an extra effort with your craft? Why are you putting an extra effort with your time? It's because of providing for the people that you love. Diba?
Na hindi mo rin regret. Hindi mo naman sasabihin, ay nako, yung pinambayad, dapat pinambili ko yan ng rhinestone, Di ba parang pag nabigay mo na parang, okay, yes, I was able to pay for this. I was able to give for my son or I was able to share sa bahay. Di ba meron tayong kasabihan? Minsan, ganito kami, pag may pumapasok kunyari na work, dadaan lang yung pera.
Oh, yeah, like,
yung parang, woo! Yeah! Woo!
Whoop! Papunta.
Wala agad eh. Pero
Yeah.
that's part of adulting. Kaya rin dun pumapasok siguro yung mga savings, investments.
Yeah, investments.
Oo, having all these things para hindi lang siya yung paycheck to paycheck
Yeah.
or enough.
I have a question. So we're talking about just barely enough, right? But we do have moments of splurging. We do have moments na parang, okay, I want to treat myself.
Na-deserve din naman
Na-deserve natin yun.
Pag adulting din naman, hindi naman
Oo.
ibig sabihin.
Oo.
Yes, parang may sacrifice, merong paying the responsibilities and the bills.
Yeah.
Pero syempre,
But then there's the good stuff.
correct, i-enjoy din naman natin ang ating pag-a-adulting.
Oo. Ako, sige, I'll go
Okay.
first. So, I treat myself. Ang running bill ko, medyo...
Magre-releasean tayo ng gastos?
Hindi.
Okay.
Ang running bill ko sa masahista ko is very comfortable.
Oh.
I have a relationship with my masahista. Kasi
I know. Kasi
what-
nirefer mo rin siya
Okay.
sa akin. Oo.
Pag ako, pagod ako from work or run down ako mentally, ganon, ang reward ko sa sarili ko is masahe. Ano yan? Non-negotiable yan
Yeah.
for me. I wanna treat myself. Or, I'll buy something nice, like a
Yeah.
nice piece of jewelry. I do a lot those things for myself. Kasi, feeling ko, pag nakikita ko kahit paano yung pinaghihirapan ko, so long as hindi siya unreasonable. For
Yeah.
example, like a nice necklace or a nice whatever, pag nakita ko siya, yung parang, okay, tangible, nakikita ko na, may fruit din naman pala yung ginagawa ko, that can also be just for me.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, na pwede rin naman maging me yung magkaroon din ng me yung fruits ng labor mo.
Na dapat naman din talaga.
Yeah.
I think people shouldn't be guilty. Parang investing on yourself as well.
Yeah.
Kasi, yes, we're talking about palabas, investing dito, gastos dito. Pero, pinaka-worth na importante is yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
More than the... Sorry. Ang drama na. Ang drama.
Let's bring out the world's
Oo nga, teka,
tiniest
naiyak ako.
violin.
Hindi, kasi wala ka rin namang paano ka din kikita, paano ka magtatrabaho, give all ka kung ubus ka naman.
Yeah.
So you have to give back to yourself. Ako
Yeah.
masahe din.
Masaya.
Yeah, massage din, tsaka pagkain.
Pagkain.
Ako.
Yeah.
Bakit ganyan tingin mo sa akin?
Wala akong sinasabi.
Parang anong ibig mong sabihin?
I'm not judging.
Mahilig ako kumain, I know, and I'm
We
proud
listen
of it.
and we don't judge.
Listen, we don't. Tsaka bonding namin yun ng family ko. Yun naman yung, eto totoo, pag kunwari may extra ko or may pumasok, yun talaga agad, tara, kain tayo sa
Kain.
labas. Yun yung bonding namin. Tapos kung mas malaki yung pumasok, di mag-travel tayo. Punta tayo sa kung saan.
Yeah. So we're talking about like treating yourself. This is just a whimsical free flow question, okay? If you have 50 million,
50 million.
tapos pre-measure ka nung nagbigay.
Mhm.
So, kailangan isang araw gastusin mo to, Abby.
Mhm.
Pag hindi mo to nagastos, babayaran mo yung 50 million.
Oy, grabe naman.
So, anong gagawin mo sa 50 million in one day?
Invest.
Invest ka. For real.
Oo, syempre hindi lahat. Syempre
Oo.
meron akong gagastos.
Oo.
Kain ulit. 1 million na pagkain. I'll schedule a trip for my family. I want us to travel. We've never been to Europe, so maybe we'd go to Europe. I want to invest in businesses. Condos are really nice.
Condos.
Gusto ko yung pwede kong mapagkakitaan din. Ako yung magsistay or pwede ko siyang iparent
Yeah.
for people. Mahilig din ako sa mga resort. Parang gusto ko talaga pag nagkapera ako, magpapagawa rin ako ng mini boutique hotel or Airbnb-ish na ganon. Kasi I like entertaining people. Tapos, bibigyan ko ng pera din yung mga pamilya ko.
For me, sabi ko, di ba, hindi ako materialistic.
Aha.
Kasi in my head, logically, why would I spend 5 million for a bag? So long as you look presentable, you look respectable, and you don't look like, you're disrespecting your job. Like,
Aha.
alam mo yun, like, that for me is enough. Pero, if I were to have 50 a day and may pressure for me to like spend it, you better believe I'm gonna get myself 5 Hermes bags.
Oh, yeah, pwede. And jewelry, you love
And jewelry. I love jewelry.
Oo
I
nga.
do spend for jewelry. That's just my wishful thinking. Pero
Yeah.
in reality, pag nakakuha ka talaga ng 50M in your life, you're not gonna do that. Of
Yeah.
course, you're gonna invest
Pero parang
it.
gusto ko rin ng bag. Pero isa lang. Hindi
Ah,
naman
oo.
ako bibili ng 5. Para lang din pagpunta ko sa Europe, maganda yung bag ko. Meron akong magandang bag.
Pero gusto ko mag-invest. In real life, that's what
Yeah.
I would do.
Uh-huh.
Ngayon, usong-uso yung mga Airbnb.
Yeah.
And I do have a few friends na, they rave about how their calendars are full because of online booking.
Yeah.
So they don't really have to manually book people. Titingin na lang sila sa calendar, na-book na pala yung buong month nila.
Yeah.
And I think that's a pretty smart investment. That's a really nice idea. Na you'll dress up the place, you'll put it online, it gets booked.
Yeah.
If it's free, tas feel mo magstay doon, edi doon ka magstay. Diba? So if you have like, I've always thought getting places for rent is a good passive income.
Yeah.
Na nag-appreciate siya. So land is a good investment. Also, I hear gold is a good investment kasi taas ng taas yung presyo. So, those are things na
Teka,
parang...
may dala akong ginto dito.
Let me...
Dala mo ba yung ginto mo?
Ito, gold bar. Pero it's nice to be aware of the things na, when you're able, you
Yeah.
can eyeball na, okay, ito yung game plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like what you said about investment because for me, kasi tayo we work eh. Like we're in the industry. Pero ang dream ko, I think for all of us, yung umabot sa point na kumikita na tayo kahit nasa bahay lang tayo, nagkakape.
Yeah.
Parang, di ba, when you have passive income, you have investments, magko-compute ka na lang, uy, pagbukas mo ng telepono mo, uy, pumasok sa akin, ganito.
Yeah.
Sana umabot din tayo na meron tayong ganung pinagkakakitaan
I
at
think-
pagpasok ng pera.
I think it's really boils down to having a plan. Now that we're adults, sometimes dreams, they don't just materialize from thin air.
Yeah.
You need to actualize and you need to have steps kung paano siya aabot sa ganun.
Yeah.
I think tapos na rin ako dun sa era na parang like, what if ganito?
Oo, hindi, paano? Sino kakausapin ko?
Oo.
Anong kailangan ko gawin?
How do we
Nandun na
make it happen? How much do you need to set
We're doers
aside?
now. No?
Yeah. I think yun din yung parts of be adulting
Mhm.
na you kind of marry dreaming with doing.
Yeah.
Na enough with the lip service na I wish ganito, I wish ganyan. Tapos
Sana.
Sana.
Or for someone to do this for me or someone to give this for me.
yeah.
Parang hindi, ikaw na yung gumawa ng paraan.
Yeah, kasi at the end of the day, no one's gonna do it for you.
Mhm.
Ikaw lang talaga yung magre-realize nun unless you're stuck in Delulu.
Yeah.
Did I rhyme? I
Good
rhymed. I rhymed right there.
Oo, you did. Grabe, ito, napaproud ako sa sarili ko. Kasi now as an adult, as a 28-year-old,
Wow!
28-year-old, isa sa mga pinaka-investment ko ngayon, health.
Health talaga.
Health, wellness. Nararamdaman mo na ba?
Na ano?
Yung tuhod mo.
I will never.
Yung-
Ano yan?
Yung tuhod ko.
Hindi, ano,
Yung kailangan ng supplements.
welcome
yung
to my gout.
Welcome to their gout. Yes. Hindi, parang one of your biggest investments and what you should really take care of as an adult, regardless if you're in your 20s or in our decade, ano na talaga yung health.
Yeah.
Kailangan alagaan. Like what you said kanina, you can't rely on other people to make your dreams happen for you,
Yeah.
your requests happen for you. When it comes to your health, ikaw lang yung pwedeng mag-alaga dyan ng bonggang-bongga.
Yeah.
So, gamit na gamit ngayon yung YouTube ko sa mga podcast about what's good for my body, especially when you're in your 40s, how do you take care of yourself as a woman. Parang ayaw mo na umabot sa point na yung emergency fund mo,
Oo.
gagamitin mo sa mga unexpected sickness
Yeah.
or emergencies.
Actually, naisip ko kanina kasi we're talking about if you were to possess millions, right? What would you do with it? Pero no amount of money will equate to your well-being.
Mhm.
Kasi aanhin mo yung kaban-kaban ng ginto
Yeah.
if butot balat ka naman. Tapos paano?
Grabe yung may mukha.
So, aanhin mo,
Yeah.
'di ba? I mean, at the end of the day, yung sinasabi nila, gasgas na to yung health is
Health
wealth.
is wealth.
Totoo yun. Kasi, if maabilidad ka, you can always make something out of nothing.
Yeah.
If your mind, your body is in a healthy state,
Mhm.
ikaw yung puhunan.
Yeah.
But
May
if
puhunan.
pero if nakagulo ka na sa utak tsaka sa katawan and it's everything declining, everything's shutting down.
Yeah.
You can't really do anything.
Mhm.
I experienced this do you remember, for like a month na damage yung heel ko. I don't know what happened. Here, di ba, yung I was on stilts.
Lola mode.
Lola mode. For like 3 weeks, ganon.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to do so much. I wanted to shoot. I wanted to work. Wala akong magawa kasi all the ideas are in my head. But I felt like I was trapped in a body na hindi makagalaw.
Mhm.
So, I think ito na yung parang time na, tama ka, you invest the effort to work on yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like yun, going to the gym. I've been going to the gym whenever I can, at least 3 times a week.
Yeah.
So, before, parang it's like, what for? I mean, malakas naman yung katawan ko. I don't... Yun kasi yun no? So, when it's too late, that's when you wish you had the time to like work on things. Now, parang ang tinatry ng mga tao more and more is, hindi ka pa naman umaabot dun sa moment of regret. Inaagapan mo na.
Preventive na.
Preventive na siya.
Oo.
Yun.
That goes not just for, ang ganda na sabi mo kasi overall wellness yan. Mind, body, heart, spirit. Hindi lang naman yung physical strength at pangangatawan natin yung importante. Minsan, nakakatulong na we have the extra funds
Yeah.
because we could do stuff na kailangan natin bayaran for ourselves. Kunyari,
Yeah.
you need a mental reset.
Yeah.
You go to a spa, a wellness retreat. You travel. Parang ikaw yung gagawa ng mga bagay or gagastos din para sa sarili mo to make sure na aligned ka at healthy ka sa every aspect
Totoo.
of who you are.
Okay, alam mo, parang feeling ko siksik tong episode na to kasi nag-reminisce tayo from our like, hindi naman childhood, pero entering adulthood
Yeah.
and to the now. And
Na napaisip din ako yung mga bagay na
mga
kailangan ko pang
reflection.
mag-adulthood sa buhay ko. Oo.
pero feeling ko kasi such is life and it's never-ending lessons.
Yes,
Wow,
yes.
nagpa-Confucius. So, because of mga Confucius moments, what's our advice or tip? Ikaw muna.
Inevitable. Adulting is inevitable. So you have to be open to take on the challenge and adapt when necessary. Lots of adapting. Kasi like what you said, even now, there are still some things na, kumbaga, nahuhuli pa sa how your ideal life might be. Pero, kapit lang.
Kapit!
Biglang naging ano eh.
Kapit
May halong ano, kapit lang, kaya natin to. Hindi, kaya natin to. What's important is, like what we were talking about kanina, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial. Kasi hindi siya parating pantay-pantay. Hindi lahat mataas. Minsan, mababa yung finances pero ang lakas solid nung mental and emotional mo. Minsan, yes, everything is stable, you're covered. Nagsasuffer naman yung mental health mo. Malungkot ka naman. Yung relationships mo, nagsasuffer. So,
Parang
kailangan
visually-
pantay-pantay siya. Or at least you have a sense of balance.
Yeah. Parang visually kasi nakita ko siya. Alam mo yung pag, ano yung sa sound, yan, may audio tayo. Yung tatatataran,
Di pantay-pantay.
Ganun,
Oo.
ganun talaga siya, no? Minsan nagsaspike. Me,
Yes.
my little nugget of wisdom, don't be delulu, look for the solulu.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Oo.
kasi when you enter into adulthood or like adulting, sometimes you numb yourself from the problem, thinking it will just go away by itself.
Yeah.
Pero what will really make you cross over to the other side and be like, phew, I survived that, is looking for the solution.
Yeah.
Yun nga, it's very, sometimes it can be just black and white and analytical na what's step 1? Ano yung step 1? How would you get to step 10? And it's not gonna be pag-gewing na ganyan. Like,
Yeah.
there's legit, like steps that you need to take as an adult. And the sooner you recognize that that's a reality, the sooner that you will get out of the lulu and look for the
That's
solulu.
Sululu. And sometimes, it's hard to look for a Sululu, but you just power through it.
Yeah.
Okay lang mahirapan, malungkot, umiyak minsan, Lord, bakit? Magwalling, magreklamo. Pero wag mong tambayan.
Oo.
Parang kailangan mo, like what you said sa isang episode, mag-autopilot minsan na mas kailangan solusyonan yung mga bagay-bagay. Wala ang magagawa kung magmumukmuk ka at magrereklamo sa buhay, reklamo sa taxes, reklamo sa traffic, reklamo sa taas ng presyo ng gas. Ang daming pwedeng maging nega about
Yeah.
when you're adulting. But anong masusolve nun? You're still in that position.
Yeah.
You're still in that situation. So, just look for a solution.
True la lulu.
True Lalulu. So, from the True Lalulu of looking as Ululu, we will do an either or babalu. Wala akong maisip. Wala akong rhyming word. Akala ko ba songwriter ako? Hindi.
Questionnaire ruru.
Questioner Ruru Madrid. Ruru Madrid! Okay.
Oh my
Okay, go.
Okay. You know what? I have a son, stability.
Stability.
Yeah, I have a son.
Gusto ko rin ng stability. I feel like when you're more stable, you have the freedom to live the life that you want.
Yeah. True la lulu.
True Lalulu.
Okay.
In adulting, you need money, Lulu.
Ayan hindi siya papayag. Hindi niya nabawi.
Hindi, totoo. Kailangan natin ng pera.
Totoo.
Ang hirap ng walang pera, boy.
Oo.
Okay, next. I chose being a singer-songwriter. It's not regular.
Yeah.
There are moments, there are no gigs or rackets, but I'm having the best time of my life when I'm performing and singing on stage. And bonus pa na kumikita ka din sa mahal mong gawin.
Tama.
So nakakasweldo naman tayo pag kumakanta tayo. Maganda-ganda naman yung TF minsan.
Yeah.
So I think doon ako sa passion. Not as stable or as
High
high-paying as a regular job na boring, but that's what works for me. Ikaw?
I think for my mental health passion, hindi ko kaya ang 9 to 5. Stick a needle in my eye and cook me on a frying pan. I cannot. Squeeze
9 to 5.
my brains out, why don't you? I
Yeah.
cannot.
Ilang years ka sa 9 to 5 mo din?
3 years. 3 years. And I became senior vice president. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Oo.
I was handling 300 agents.
Corporate
Thank you
girl
very
yan.
much.
Tapos sinasabi niya sa mga katrabaho niya, hindi kayo pumapasok, kailangan ng blah, 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 blah.
I need 2,000 sales! Whoosh! No, hindi ko, I mean, it was a really lucrative job, but it didn't make me happy.
Yeah.
So I am, and I am benefiting off of my choices already. Ano lang, just know what makes you happy and then it's gonna pay off.
Na din it's a self-awareness thing. Kasi for some people, they enjoy it.
Yeah.
They love it. They like routine. They like na alam nila 9 o'clock, dapat nasa opisina na ako. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Tapos 5 o'clock, log out. Hindi log out. Ano
Ano
tawag
ba to?
dun?
Clock out. Clock
Clock
out.
out. Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi it works for some people. Pero yun nga, like her, ako din nung nag-day job ako before, umiyak ako sa computer kasi anong ginagawa ko,
Yun yung
nagsisend
for
ng
you.
cold emails
Yeah.
buong araw. That's not for me. So, part of adulting also is knowing how you're wired, what makes you happy and what you're passionate with, and what your priorities are.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi rin naman tayo all about go with what you're passionate with, pero yung dalawa mong anak walang makain or pang tuition.
Totoo.
Siyempre, you have to weigh things din.
Trot.
True la lulu.
True la lulu. Oh, wow. I would rent and live comfortably. Yeah. Kasi yung own a small place, tama ba? I don't want a small place for life. I want, like, alam mo yon, ang vision board ko is I want a house with like a really big lawn where I have 3 golden retrievers that can run around and poop where I can't see it kasi ganun siya kalaki.
Okay.
Yeah, and then my kid of course can run around, play with his cousin and the dogs.
Yeah.
And so I believe in saving up for something that I really want. So if hindi ko siya gusto, which is like a confined space, I'd rather live comfortably in a rental until I'm able to get my dream home.
Yeah. Napanood ko rin yan sa Netflix eh. Meron silang series about being rich or parang how to take care of your money. Although sa States yung advice niya, pero I kinda resonated with it. Yung sinasabi nga doon, minsan yung mga tao, they would get a mortgage, gusto nila makabili ng bahay. Kasi yung idea natin, pag may sarili kang bahay, you made it.
Yeah,
Ang
yeah.
yaman mo na. Pero minsan, yung gastos or yung mga utang na babayaran mo for that, talo nung nagre-rent ka lang muna na manageable, ito lang yung gagastusin mo for rent every month, but you have more liquid money na magagastos mo sa mga bagay din na kailangan mo or would make you feel like you're living the life.
Yeah,
Yan, meron
yeah.
ka mga pang travel,
Yeah.
meron ka pang kain-kain sa kung saan-saan. So, rent muna ako. Gusto ko magkaroon ng sariling house, pero yung malaking house na. Pero amin na yun.
Oo.
Oo.
Same. Be respected but not liked. Yeah. I would take that route. Kasi siguro because of how, we're wired, I guess similar tayo in the sense na we boss up. And we kind of like to take charge of, like our goals and how to be productive. I would much rather be in a position na nire-respeto ako, may na-achieve ako, nagiging productive ako, and not necessarily everyone's gonna be my friend.
Yeah.
So that's okay. Kaysa naman yung people pleasing, tapos sniveling little mice, you little rat, tapos no one, alam mo yun,
Hindi ka pala nire-respeto.
Hindi ka nire-respeto.
Minsan pinaplastic ka lang.
Oo, or ginagawa ka ipis, binabatok-batukan ka, ganun. Pero like ka nila, pero babatok-batukan ka lang, yan na si Pompiang naman, ganun. Like, oh my, I hate it.
Cannot.
No, I would rather just hate me. Just hate me, but respect me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that route.
Ako din, respect. Tumingin sa camera talaga, respect. Kasi dignity na yung nakasalalay dun eh.
Yeah.
And may episode kami about boundaries. That's one of the things din na parang when you put boundaries and you respect yourself enough to have people not like you because you're enforcing your boundaries, it shows that you love yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
And you respect yourself. Mas importante yun kaysa like kang anong mga tao, pero yun nga.
Hindi ka naman
Hindi ka naman
nire-respeto.
nire-respeto.
Tingin naman nila sa'yo, kulangot.
Sabi, ipis na nga, kulangot pa ako.
Oh, last one.
Ang hirap naman ng mga tanong. Both.
We can't have
ba
both.
both?
Yeah, we have to choose. I will choose
Financial security.
financial security kasi may anak ako. Emotional security, magsasuffer yung anak ko if at peace nga ako pero hindi ko ma-provide yung mga kailangan ko para sa daily needs niya, sa education niya, sa therapy niya, no. I will sacrifice my peace for my son's needs. Kasi feeling ko in that sense, mas magkakaroon din ako ng peace. Kasi magiging
Tama.
okay siya. Yeah.
Nasa ganun din ako. Kasi ang laking source din for me ng financial security of peace.
Yeah.
So, wala rin akong peace kung hindi ako financially secure.
Yeah.
Needed or wanted.
Oh, that's such a good one. Be needed or be wanted? Wait.
You needed me. You needed
Sige,
me.
wait lang.
You wanted me.
Okay.
You wanted me.
Sige. Be needed.
Be needed.
Kasi may anak ako. So, yun na naman ako. Kasi may anak ako. So, my son needs me and that gives me my deepest why. That gives me my motivation to be the best. Kung ano man yung capabilities na binigay sa akin ng Diyos, yun yung yun yung deepest why ko. I can't imagine not being needed by my son. And in the same way, parang I don't want to be an option anymore. Like, I don't want to be seen as parang like I'm just a want kasi kaya naman nila mag-isa. I want to be in a position, I don't know if this is correct for everyone. Wag na naman natin i-absolute tong sinasabi ko. But it sure is nice to know that someone can't live without me. Sure is nice to know. Kasi, alam ko given na yan, na we stand on our own, we shouldn't be dependent on other people's happiness and vice versa and all of that. But it's nice, at least for me, to be needed in that almost loving, desperate way. Na parang, to me kasi it strikes as devotion eh. Yung parang, I need this person, I don't want anyone else, it's not an option. I need this person.
Parang ako wanted.
Oh, interesting.
I want to be wanted. Hindi, parang, kasi like what you said, ako nandun naman ako nanggagaling na
Interesting.
kaya nila na kahit wala ako, pero gusto nila andun ako. And ako din, kasi parang siguro coming also from self-sufficiency also and being the independent single woman that I am. Sanay na ako din mag-isa or
paano ko
ganyan.
sabihin?
Pero,
Paano ko sabihin
mas
sa'yo ng
gusto-
Habibi?
Ano?
Paano ko sabihin sa'yo ng Habibi? I need you, Abby. I
Ang
can't
tanong
live
naman, do I want to be wanted or needed eh? Okay, naman
paano
ako
ko sabihin niya, I need you, Abby. I cannot
Sabihin
live
ko,
without you, Abby.
Okay, bebe. Charot.
Tumiklop ka na naman.
Hindi, wanted. Kasi needed, ano na rin eh. Di ba yung dream ko rin, yung ako naman yung aalagaan. Nung isang episode natin na parang, kasi sanay na rin ako na nag-aalaga ng mga tao sa paligid ko. Sana meron naman minsan na ako naman yung aalagaan. So, hindi ako maaalagaan ng buong buo kung yung tao yung humuhugot sa akin na I need you. Gusto ko yung,
How can you be there for me?
oo,
Yung
gusto
ganun.
ko siya naman yung I want you, what do you need?
Yeah!
Charot. Okay, yun lang.
Ba't ka namumula? Hindi ko alam! Ang pula niya! Uy,
ako?
paki-zoom in nga. Abby, ang pula mo! Ew! Ano ba yung topic natin? Adulting? Grabe!
Namula ako.
Oh my God.
Nahiya ako.
Pati yung-
Sorry, was I too vulnerable?
Pati yung talukap ng mata niya namula.
Kasi nahiya ako bigla. Did I verbalize that?
Si Habibi.
Naiyak ako. Okay, anyway.
By the way, for anyone who's gonna be in Dubai this March.
Huwag may promote. Makita-kita na lang kami doon.
Habibi.
Habibi.
Ay.
It's refreshing. It's a good realization, reflection time.
Yeah.
Us talking about adulting.
Adulting and also realizing and parang inaalala natin kung ano yung mga responsibilidad natin as yung present day.
Yeah.
What we how do we cope with that?
Oh, at saka iba-iba tayo ng path, iba-iba tayo ng story, iba-iba tayo ng priority. So, just like you shouldn't compare yourself to other people when it comes to success.
Yeah.
When it comes to adulting also, yung seasons
Yeah.
ng mga tao iba-iba din. Wag mo
Yes.
i-expect kasi minsan iisipin, nako, napagdaanan ko na yan dati pa, bakit andyan ka pa rin? Or bakit di mo pa nagagawa yan? Parang wait lang.
Or vice versa. Some
Oo.
naman, ang tanda na, parang walang pinagtandaan.
Uh-huh.
'Di ba? Hence yung
Sino- may-
song ni Sabrina Carpenter, Mancha. Di ba? So,
Oo.
kanya-kanyang season, iba-iba ng process, iba-iba ng era.
Ang pinaka-importante, ikaw, in your own path, you're trying to improve and progress all the time.
Yun. Okay, so before natin to i-landing, we're not gonna close without giving a final shout out to this wonderful place where we're shooting at. Kita nyo naman, this is our Sky Lounge of the Glam Residences by SMDC Heights.
Yes, so nice. Thank you for having us. One of the best and most posh sets that we've had on Say What.
I know. So, if you want to check them out, we'll flash all of their details here. And also, don't forget to visit their pages, which we will also tag below.
Yeah, and don't forget to watch our existing episodes also for Say What Podcast. It's available on YouTube and Spotify, and we have a new episode every Saturday, 7 p.m.
Yeah. And we just have, like a solo promos, if I
Oh,
can.
yes. Of
I'd
course.
like to invite you to watch House of Lies ayan, on
Yay!
GMA. It's a really nice, painit na ng painit yung story ni Marge. And of course, as the best friend, si Hannah. So it's a really nice series about how everyone is telling lies. Wow!
Wow, House of Lies.
Ayan. And by then, baka meron ka na rin.
Yes, my new song, please support. It's called Grabe Ka Naman Saktan. Yay! My second off of my Kundiman Confessions journey. So it will be out March. And I don't know exactly what date we are releasing this, but it will be on Spotify, Apple Music, and all digital stores worldwide. Saka follow nyo naman ako sa mga social media accounts ko. It's at Abby Asistio. At nood naman kayo ng gig ko. Punta kayo.
Yun.
Yan.
Tsaka meron kang hashtag Awit at Aura. I
Awit
love
at Aura.
it.
Yeah, come to our gigs and Awit at Aura with us.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and we just want to encourage you once again to please follow us, please subscribe, because every listen matters.
Say What Podcast, SAYWUHT.
This has been G
And Abby.
and
Say
What?
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.